In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to convert SBI saving account to salary account online. First of all, you need to go to the Google and write this simple keyword in the Google search, SBI savings account to salary account conversion, and you need to open the first result, which is basically a PDF file. So when you open this link, you will see this form which you need to fill. So you need to enter all of the information right here, and once you will fill the application, then you can go to the Google search again, write this keyword SBI bank contact, and open the first result. And right here you will see their official email address where you need to send this application and your letter about converting SBI saving account to salary account. You can also contact them with their official number and they might ask you some additional information to make your conversion. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.